and Roberto Almuete, Molino Road, Santa Quiteria, Quezon City. Baleleng, OTB Trophy Race. All set now, ready to race. Race number 5. This time, 1,300 meters is the distance. Baleleng, OTB Trophy Race. And the race is on. Una Mujer, fast to begin, followed by Be Nice, Dugus Paramore, Sunny Zabeyorum. Down on the inside is Black Label, on the further outside is My Hermes. And moving up by the road, second last, Kirikada Milagros, Swing Boat, and entry number 8, Arithmetic. Second last, back to the front runner, Una Mujer, by half a length. Followed by Be Nice is running by the Black Label. Chinese Sabayorum taking the lead, followed by Be Nice by the Chinese Sabayorum by half a length. Be Nice running by the Douglas Paramore alongside is Una Mujer. Moving up by the rail is Kirikada Milagros as they race the last 450. Be Nice now the leader. Chinese Sabayorum, Kirikada Milagros, Douglas Paramore, Midnight Bell also rushing up. Be Nice, Una Mujer, Midnight Bell on the outside. Kirikada Milagros chooses to run down on the inside. It's now Midnight Bell, Kirikada Milagros, Douglas Paramore. And finally, number 6, Midnight Bell, Kirikada Milagros, Sunny Sabayorum, Douglas Paramore, Be Nice.